Reminding, yes! Welcome! Balik tayo. O, intro tayo ulit. Intro, pasok. Welcome to Two-Day Challenge Forex webinar with our 150 participants for tonight and our audience from our training studio. Woo! And courtesy of Grabay and Rooftop Cafe. All right. Thank you. To pay attention for those who are willing to become a millionaire. I like this one. All right, let's start. Okay, by the way, baka may mga bago dito. I'll just like to introduce my name. I'm Nars Paraguya, 44 years old. Hindi pa na-edit yan kasi just celebrate my birthday. Salamat pala sa mga gift na natatanggap ko from the community. Nag-graduate ako sa Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan. I'm in digital business for 10 years now. I'm also an entrepreneur. I owned a small mountain resort here in our place. I'm a licensed financial consultant, so I am trained to speak about financial literacy and financial education. And also, I started Forex trading since 2017. So medyo matagal-tagal na. And then last year, nag-found ako ng community, ng Pinoy Traders Community. Nasa mga 7,000 na tayo lahat in Philippines and international. But good news is that around 60 to 70% of our community is naka-base sa international. So nakita niyo naman tonight marami from UAE, Canada, Saudi Arabia, and Guam, and any parts of the earth, guys. This community is designed for you. Welcome. And this is me and my family. I'm a father of 3 na nandun siya sa Picas table yung mga anak ko, nagdi-dinner. And also, dahil sa Forex trading, kasi galing ako sa bankruptcy ng business ko before I started Forex trading. But thank God, because of this one, nakapag-recover tayo at nakabili tayo ng brand new Montero Sport. And mayroon pang isa na ilalabas natin. Hopefully 2 to 3 months from now. So, sinong excited dyan? So, pakita ko lang ito. Hindi ito sa magmamayabang, guys, but this is to inspire. Diba? Alam mo naman, dalawang perspective lang yan. But ang point ko is para makita nyo kung ano yung posibleng mangyari sa inyo when you engage in this kind of business. Alright? So, bakit ako pumasok sa Forex? Because nung una-una, it's a digital business. And it's flexible lifestyle. This is perfect for OFW, busy individual that want to earn an extra dollar. Who among you here, you want to earn an extra dollar habang nagtatrabaho ka, habang busy ka sa business mo? You want to earn, who among you here? I'd like to know kung sino dito. Can you type dollar if you want to earn an extra dollar? Kasi yan yung pag-uusapan natin. But the good thing about this one, kasi nga, galing ako sa bankruptcy ng business ko, so wala ako masyadong capital. But the good thing about this one is, you can start with low capital. Alright? At the same time, kung makukuha mo nito, mataas yung income potential niya. Okay? And no experience needed. But eventually, if you're already a trader and may experience ka na sa trading, welcome ka pa rin dito sa community kasi meron tayong cheat codes and tools na pwedeng maka-improve sa win rate mo. Alright? So, sabi nga ni Dan Luke, if you are not making money online in this era, you're missing the biggest ship of wealth creation. Sinong nag-a-agree? Siguro 10 years ago, when I started making money online, siguro anong ginagawa mo dyan? Maghanap ka nga ng tamang trabaho? Maghanap ka nga ng tamang negosyo? Because I was started 10 years ago in online business. But right now, everyone know na may pera sa YouTube, may pera sa content creation, may pera sa e-commerce, may pera sa freelancing, may pera sa online. And alam nyo ba na isa sa pinakamalaking pera is nasa Forex industry. Mamaya, i-explain natin bakit maraming pera sa Forex industry. So, this is perfect for you. I know that you are busy. At the same time, ready for Solex? Mamaya, mag-live trade tayo. Okay? But at the same time, you will earn using the power of your cellphone and internet lang. Okay? Sabi nga ng isang mentor ko, we are living in the easiest time in history to build wealth. Sinong mag-agree? Sinong mag-agree na ngayon, madali lang yumaman? Who agree with me?
Wala.
Sa isip mo na mahirap, totoo talaga yan. Mahirap yan. Pero pag iniisip mo madali, you know what guys, this is my experience. 3 years ago, my company with more than 50 employees bankrupt. Na bankrupt. And for 2 years guys, I'm looking for opportunity na makapag-recover ako. Okay? 2 years. Pero for whatever reason, alam niyo naman, sa traditional business, hindi basta-basta makabangon. Kailangan ka ng capital and it takes time para yung business mo talaga, masasabi mo na pwede na siyang mag-thrive. Alright? Now, in my case, kasi at that time, walang-wala na ako, I'm still looking for opportunity. Buti na lang, natagpuan ko ulit itong forex trading. Actually, nangyari sa akin when I started forex trading since 2017, 2021, nag-end po ako or nag-stop ako sa forex trading kasi po natalo po ako ng malaking pera. So, na-discourage ako. But during the time na walang-wala ako at during the time na marami akong financial problems, doon ako, kumbaga doon yung answered prayer na tatanggap ko dahil kay Lord. So, ito na. Hindi ako makapaniwala, guys. Exactly 1 year ago, I was zero. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung susunod na panggastos ko sa family. But dahil sa forex business, nakapasok ako, imagine from 0 to 7-digit earning. So, hindi ko na papakita, but alam niyo naman, dun sa mga inner circle ko, kung magkano talaga yung kinikita ko exactly because of this business. Now, you don't need to earn 7-digit for now. Ang goal lang natin guys is kumita lang ng konti. Konti lang. But this one, isa sa mga estudyante po natin sa community, sa Hero 30 natin. So malaking pasasalamat niya. Thanks to our mentor and support for the earnings. Thanks Coach Nars for inspiring and investing learning. Okay, so nag-invest ako ng learning. Right now, this one, 7:30. Yesterday? 7:30. Sa isang araw na pag-trade na, this is by the way an OFW from, I think he's from Dubai or Saudi. Si Rudolfo. Okay? But actually, because of side hustle lang, gamit ang cellphone, sa isang araw na pag-trade na, kumikita siya ng 125 USD. Not so big, but not bad. For that's around 7,000 pesos sa isang araw lang na pag-trade. And then, another, I think this is earlier sa screenshot niya, 185. Mayroong isang beses na nag-send siya. Hindi ko lang nakita. Sa dami kasi guys nang nagsisend sa atin. Kung nandun ka sa Hero 30 at kung nandun ka sa VIP community natin, grabe. Sobra-sobra yung nagsisend ng mga screenshots ng result nila kasi they were so happy that in a very short period of time, natuto sila paano mag-trade at kumita sila sa forex trading using their cellphone. Alright? Sound check lang ako, guys. Can you still hear me? Naririnig niyo ba ako? Clear ba? Medyo, kasi dito medyo mataas yung energy dito sa loob. Kaya, yes, clear naman, clear naman. Oh, thanks for the DJI. Alright, guys. Ito pa pala, guys. Ito is from random lang na kinuha ko. Mabilisan kinuha ko. This week, 470. Imagine, done for today's trading. Managed to grow my capital. But demo only. Di mo pa pala to. Thank you. So, horror ko, believe nasa, okay. So, at least natuto na siya. But this one, guys, hindi na ito demo. Akala ko, Pero anyway, ang point doon is natuto siya mag-forex trading. And this one is 721 last week. Coach Nars, 320 kinita ko. Wala pang isang oras. Mukhang need na ata magpuyat maabangan. Imagine guys, wala pang isang oras, nag-trade siya sa financial market, kumita siya ng, how much is this? Sige nga, tulungan niyo ako. 320 USD. Is it 15,000? 17,000? Guys, isang oras, let's just say 17,000. 17,920 to be exact, thanks to Coach Marge. Guys, grabe, wala pang isang oras. Ganito na yung kinita. Imagine kung matuto ka sa forex trading. Imagine. Alright, so another here is 535. So much for that. Also, I would like to shout out to one of the coaches of our community. The other day, hindi niya alam. Ay, saba guys, pakita na to ang may-ari nito. Ay, nag-withdraw lang naman ng 2,289. Last, the other, mag-order kayo, siya ang bahala. Tatawa sila guys, no? Guys, imagine niyo 2,287, it's like 110, 100,000 guys. Grabe. Because of this business. Okay. Now, take note that my term in Forex is Forex business. Kasi ngayon pa lang, I want you to understand guys, that this is not game. This is not gambling. This is a business. And to succeed with this one, you need to have an entrepreneurial mindset. Kailangan yung negosyo mo dito. Kasi nga, di ba, mag-invest ka, una sa learning mo, sa time mo, and then eventually magti-trade ka. Alright? So right now, they are preparing for our live trading there in the other table. So, sinong gusto? Imagine, 100. I know this is not one day. Pero let's just say 1 week extra mo ito nakita. Not bad. Not bad. Galing, nakaka-excite. Totoo, actually. Okay, so for tonight, hindi na ako magpapatumpik pa. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano namin ito ginagawa. Are you there? Are you there? Ituturo ka sa inyo kung paano namin ito ginagawa. Kung sino yung excited. Excited. Can you drop the word? Drop number 1 na lang if you're excited. Guys, remember, this is not entertainment. So along the way, medyo naboboard ka. This is not telenovela. This is Forex trading training. So hindi siya entertaining. But guys, if you stick around until the end, maintindihan mo kung paano namin ginagawa at ano yung mga sikreto kung bakit kami kumikita dito, i-reveal namin from today and tomorrow. So stick to the end, stick tomorrow. I will be selecting at least three lucky or blessed individual na bibigyan ko ng isang free access that is worth 440 USD or 439 USD na tools, tatlo. So, kung si Coach Marge is still nandyan, pipili ako, bibigyan ko yun ng access sa tools for free. Okay, for free. That is worth 439 USD. Sa audience na pinaka-interactive in the chat. So, kailangan maging interactive kayo. Okay, maging interactive kayo kung may mga questions. Kung may mga tanong ako, magsasagot kayo, then pipila kami ng tatlo, Coach Marge. By the way, ito pala si Coach Marge, ang isa sa pinakamagandang coach natin. Okay? Wednesday ito, Wednesday team. Every Wednesday, siya po yung naghahawak ng webinar natin. So, ano yan, ha? But exclusive lang sa hindi pa enrolled community kasi yung mga enrolled, I think mostly may access na. Okay? So, tatlo yan. Until tomorrow, stick today and tomorrow kasi bibigyan namin ng tools na worth 400 USD. Alright? Let's start. Disclaimer lang po, Forex trading is not for everyone. This is a high-risk business model, but it's a high-reward business model. Past performance may not be indicative in your future result. Depende sa pag-aaral mo, depende sa mindset mo, Pero kami, as long as you're in the community, especially dun sa enrolled, we will do our part na ituturo namin sa inyo, but eventually, iba-iba yung level of understanding. Okay? So as much as we are ready to educate you and inform you, ang tanong ko sa inyo, are you ready to receive it? Are you ready to be educated? Are you ready? Yeah? Kinawa sa tagamay. Kay murag kusog atong kompetensya. By the way po, kaway-kaway sa mga Bisaya dyan. Oh. All right, guys, let's do it. For tonight's session, we will be talking about introduction to forex trading. We'll be talking about forex. We'll be talking about understanding currency pairs, types of trading, and apps. Ano yung apps and platform? I-share namin sa inyo. The goal of this 2-day challenge, at the end of the 2-day challenge, marunong ka nang mag-execute ng trade gamit ang cellphone mo, gamit ang MT5 platform na ginagamit natin. That's the goal. Alright? That's the goal. So for today, we'll be talking about theory and introduction and the foundations. And tomorrow, we will talk about trade execution or application. Is that fair? Day 1, theory. Day 2, trade execution. Fair lang ba? Clear? Same time tayo tomorrow. Same link. Same time, same link. Okay, same time, same link. Alright. So, let's go for the definition. Ano ba itong forex trading? Saan ba ito galing? By the way, you can go to Google so that you will understand. Pero since nandito na kayo, so, forex trading po is a short for foreign exchange. Ibig sabihin na palitan ng pera. Okay? Example, if you are from UAE, ano ba yung currency ng UAE? Okay? Is it dirham? Tama ba ako? Currency ng UAE? Is it dirham? Dirhams. Thank you. Dirham. So, uuwi ka sa Pilipinas, gagamitin mo ba yung dirham or peso na? Peso na. So, ibig sabihin, kumikita ka sa UAE ng dirham, pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, kailangan mo siyang palitan. Exchange. Okay? Kailangan mo siyang ipalit yung dirham mo to peso. Ang tawag po sa transaction na yan is foreign exchange or forex. So, daw in a manual way. Ours is digital way. Alright? So, entiende? Comprehend? Comprehend? Also known as currency exchange, currency market, or FX. Tama raw, FX. Alright. Guys, ilang lahat ba yung transaction? Bakit ko sinasabi na may pera? Do you know that every day, approximately, according to forex.com, there are 7.5 trillions of dollars are being traded every day. Guys, this is not million. Hindi billion. Kundi trillion. Nagpapalitan trillion of transactions. Not every week, not every month, not every year, but every day. Ang goal natin, guys, ang goal natin, mag-haste lang tayo. The greatest haste in the history. Baka ma-misinterpret. Ang ibig kong sabihin, guys, kukuha lang tayo at kukurot lang tayo sa market. Huwag yung trillion. Kasi kailangan din ng malaking kapital yan eventually. Kukurot lang tayo, guys, ng 100 USD, 200 USD every day. Now, if I'm going to ask you, magkanong gusto mong kurutin sa isang araw dito sa forex market? Sige nga, remember, be interactive. Magkano yung goal mo? Magkano kaya? 100 USD. We're talking about USD ha. Walang peso, walang dirham, USD lahat. 200. Not bad. 100, 200, 200, 1K. Every day, guys. Guys, alam niyo ba na kung nasa community kayo, especially sa enrolled community, every day, guys, normal na lang yan, yung naging screenshots, nagpapadala ng 100 USD, 200 USD, 300 USD yung kita. So, kung yan ang nilagay mo dyan, I would say realistically that that is possible. Ang kailangan mo lang malaman kung paano natin to ginagawa. Yes, and I understand. This is not a magic na bukas magaling ka na. But at least, nag-start ka. Kasi, you are about to learn one of the highest paying skills in the history right now. Highest paying skills. Nag-aaral ka ng one of the highest paying skills. Alright? So, aralin mo ng maigi kasi yung kita mo nakasalalay sa pag-aaral mo. Okay. So, saan mapopular yung... I know for some na nasa Dubai, you will meet someone in the train na mga bata pa lang or what na nagtitrade na. Okay? If you're in Singapore, kapag sa train or sa bus, makikita mo, normal lang yan, may mga taong mga bata na nagtitrade talaga. So, pero, alam nyo ba nga, there are already approximately 10 millions of tradings na every day. 10 millions of trading every day, guys. And right now, guys, they are preparing for the trade. Woo! Woo! 100. Woo! Yes, profit. Pakita nga. Guys, nagkakagulo dito guys kasi nagtitrade tayo at pakita results guys sa community natin. Wow, grabe, blue profitable. Wow. Hindi pa natapos guys. While we are going to teach you, marami dito nagtitrade. Kaya kung saan ka ngayon sa Dubai, maghintay kayo. Yung community natin, lilipad tayo sa Dubai at magtitrade tayo dyan. Anong ginagawa natin dito? Ititrade namin dyan. Wow, grabe, exciting ah. Marami nang pumaldo, okay? So habang pumaldo na sila, mag-aral muna tayo dito kasi hindi tayo papaldo kung hindi natin alam ito. Di ba? Hindi naman ito magic, na parang magic pill. So ano yung participants ng Forex ecosystem? The participants are the retail traders, forex brokers, institutional traders, and liquidity providers. So itong mga apat na ito, tatlo is mga big players po. Tayo po is retail trader lang at isa sa mga retail trader for tonight, pumaldo ng close all. Malapit. Padool gamay.
Okay, 117.
117 USD. Wow, grabe. So guys, if you're looking for result, grabe. While we are learning, yung iba, they are producing money, producing results. So what are the types of trading? Parang gusto ko nang mag-trade Types of trading, guys. Meron tayong tinatawag na scalper, day trader, swing trade, and position. Okay. For busy individual and for beginners, ideally, scalping and day trade tayo. In our community, mayroon tayong strategy sa scalping with XAUUSD or gold and US30. Alright? So, ano yung mga assets na iti-trade? So, mayroon tayong bonds, commodities, forex shares, indexes, and interest rates. Now, ang question ko for those 181 participants, itong tinitrade natin na gold, saan ito nabilong? Or XAUUSD, yung gold. Yung mga nag-trade na, is it share? Is it index? It is forex? It is commodities? Gold is not forex. Gold is under commodities and under metal or high-valued metal. Okay? So, congratulations. Yung mga... But for now, we can focus on forex and the gold. So, ibig sabihin guys, palitan lang. So, bakit mayroon siyang pares? Kasi, bibili ka ng currency, ano yung ipangbili mo? So, yun yung ibig sabihin yan. Nagkagulo na kasi marami nang natapos mag-trade, nag-close na. Oh guys, by the way guys, eto nagtitrade guys. Our youngest trader guys, 11 years old. Pakita. Today, youngest trader, 11 years old. Kung naisip mo guys na hindi mo kaya, kung hindi mo kaya ito, kaya nga ng isang 17 years old. Okay? So, ang tawag nito guys is pair. Ibig sabihin, bibili ka ng USD, ang pangbili mo is euro. Mayroon kang pambili. Okay? Or, bibili ka ng euro, ang pambili mo is USD. Or, if you're in Dubai, bibili ka ng dirham, bibili ka ng peso, PHP, gamit ang dirham. Or pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas, yung dirham, papalitan mo ng PHP. Yon ang tinatawag na currency pair. Okay. Etong pinakauna, ang tawag nito is base. Ito naman, ang pangalawa, ang tawag nito is quote, which is doon sa advanced na trading na tinatawag natin na fundamentals, mayroon tong very important, significant, especially when it comes to news. Alright? Okay, let me continue. So, bid price, ask price, normally, ganito yan. Okay? Kapag nagtitrade ka, iba yung presyo ng sell at iba yung presyo ng buy. Okay? Normally, this is the bid price and this is the ask price. Okay? So, makikita nyo yan. Okay. Ito, buy and sell. So, iba yung presyo guys kasi may difference yan sa gitna. Ang difference yan, ang tawag yan is spread. Yun naman din yung kita ng broker. Remember, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-trade kung wala si broker kasi si broker regulated sila. Sila yung parang liquidity provider natin or banker. Are you with me? By the way, mamaya, at tatanggap ako ng mga questions and answers, ha? Alright? Leverage naman is, kung mag-create ka ng account, guys, tatanungin ka, 1,000 is to 1, 500 is to 1, 2,000 is to 1. Ang leverage, guys, is your multiplier. Malaki yung leverage mo, malaki yung posibleng kitain mo. But remember, leverage, take note nyo to because this is very important. Leverage is a double-edged sword. Kung in contrary, matalo ka naman, malaki din yung talo mo. Paano ba yan i-explain? Parang ganito yan. Pag-create ka ng account, guys, hihingiin ka or mahihingi si broker kung ano yung setting ng leverage mo. Okay? So, the bigger the leverage is, mataas yung buying power mo. So, another example of the leverage, ito, 2 is to 1 or 200 is to 1, same capital, pero the more na mataas yung leverage mo, lalaki yung buying power mo. Bakit may malaki yung buying power? Saan ka kikita? Saan galing yan? Galing yan sa broker na doon tayo, sila yung gumagamit. Kasi di tayo pwedeng mag-trade kung walang broker or regulated broker. Dapat regulated siya. Otherwise, kung hindi siya regulated, scam po yan kung hindi regulated. Okay? So, SL and TP, this is the two word that's very important. So, medyo technical na ito, guys. Kung magti-trade ka, dito ka pumasok. Maglagay ka ng stop loss at maglagay ka ng take profit. Pag na-hit na ito, halimbawa, dito ka nag-trade, na-hit niya dito, ibig sabihin, kumita ka na. Copy? Pero kung na-hit itong stop loss, guys, ibig sabihin, nag-negative ka, natalo ka. But eventually, ang stop loss, guys, is more on defensive side para hindi maubos yung capital mo or hindi maliquid yung capital mo. Anyway, if you want to review this one, mayroon tayo recording para pwede nyo ma-withdraw, ma-review. Nag-withdraw kasi ako kanina. So, nasa isip ko, withdraw. Alright. So, equity, balance, and margin. Actually, margin yun. So, balance, ito yung diniposit mo. Equity, ito yung tradable power mo. Margin, ito yung, kumbaga, mas mataas yung margin mo, pwede ka pang mag-trade. So, paano mangyari? Ba't hindi the same yung balance at equity? Ibig sabihin, mayroon kang existing na trade. Ang existing na trade mo, makikita yan dito sa equity. Ibig sabihin, may nag-negative ka ng konti dito. Alright? So, major currency pairs, we have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD GPY, USD CEP, USD CHF, USD CAD, Australian dollar USD, and NCD. So, ito yung normal or major pairs or pinaka-most tradable na iti-trade natin. Alright? Copy? Are you still there, guys? Copy? Nandyan pa ba kayo? Risk management, yes, meron tayong ano dyan. Very important yan. Yes, management. Busy kasi yung mga tao dito, guys, nagtitrade. Tingnan mo, okay? Meron tayong nagtitrade dito. Ito yung iba, guys. Ito yung mga silent na hindi pa hindi pa naging masaya. Di ba? Ibig sabihin, pending pa yung trade niyan, guys. Hindi pa na-close.
Day trade na.
Kinakabahan pa yan. Anyway, so, kaya nga nandito tayo sa community, guys. Ang sarap na may community. Mayroon tayong tamang training, mayroon tayong tamang tools, and mayroon tayong community na at least nag-boost sa atin. Okay? Pang-kape. Yes, pang-kape. Kung dito lang kayo, kape tayo. So, these are the most traded pairs, guys, according to survey. Okay? More on Euro USD. And also, our community, guys, is marami din tayong traders sa XAU USD. Bakit XAU USD lang? Bakit XAU USD hindi gold? I want you to understand na may pair si gold. Anong ibig sabihin ng pair? Ibig sabihin, every time you trade, bibili ka ng gold gamit mo na US dollar. Bibili ka naman ng US dollar, gamit mo ang gold. Yan po yung ibig sabihin yan, pair. So yan yung nangyari yung trade. Okay? Palitan or trade. Copy? So, yun yung bakit yan tinatawag na XAU USD. Also, mayroon din tayong trade, guys, with US 30. US 30, guys, represents the most 30 America's most influential companies. Top 30 companies sa Amerika. So, mayroon tayong scalping strategy ng US 30, and then mayroon tayong scalping strategy ng XAU USD. Okay. Now, here's a good question. I know iba-iba yung time zone natin. Pero alam niyo ba na mayroon tinatawag na magandang time para mag-trade? Yes, you heard it right. Mayroong magandang time para mag-trade kasi mayroon tinatawag na market open and mayroon din tinatawag na market close. Okay. Eto, guys, isi-convert natin sa Philippines time lang. Yun yung common natin. Kasi I understand na mayroon dito from Canada, from Guam, from Qatar, from Bahrain, from UAE, from Saudi, at other countries, iba-iba. So, ang reference na natin dito, guys, is Philippine time lang para hindi magkagulo. Ikaw na lang bahala mag-convert doon sa sa time zone mo. So, in the Philippines, guys, Tokyo represents Asian session. London is the London session, and of course represents European money like Euro and GBP. Okay? And other European currencies. New York sessions represents USD. So 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tokyo, London, and New York. Alright. So, sa community natin, guys, ito yung tinitrade natin. Meron tayong mga results using this trade. Ito yung ginagawa nila ngayon, guys, live trading session. Na nagka-results. Actually, lahat ito is this week. This week. Ito, 7:30, kumita 243. Okay. 360, by the way, kumita, marami. And then, marami. 360, digit 30, this one, digit 30. Alright? So ito naman, results ito ng gold. US 30 din pala. Ito gold. Guys, imagine. Standard account ito, kumita 725. Isang araw to actually, let me see. Isang araw, 718 USD. Isang araw. This one, I think, 1 week, $5,000. 5,133 USD. Standard account. Yes, standard. Ganun na kalaki yung mga kinikita sa community na. I understand hindi lahat. Pero if you are serious talaga to learn, guys, kung hindi nyo nakuha lahat ito, guys, okay lang. Normal lang yan kasi dyan din ako when I started. Most importantly, mayroong something nag-spark sa mind mo na wow, mayroon kayong nakitang pag-asa or opportunity na pwede mo pala mabayaran yung mga dapat bayarin or mga utang. Alright, for now, hinto muna ako. I will be catering some of your questions. I'll be catering some of your questions. Okay? Questions. Stop muna ako. Guys, Q&A muna tayo. Okay, Q&A muna tayo. X goes sa X. ISO gold is letter X. AU is a symbol. Wow. Ngayon, Wabig. Ana, thank you so much for doing the explanation about XAU USD. Ang laki. Yes, ganun talaga guys kung matuto ka na. Kaya nga, I congratulate you guys kung nandito kayo. Hindi ito basta makuha lang. Kailangan dedication na aralin mo. Pero makuha mo ba? Yes, makuha mo. Yes, sobra. Nakaka-inspire. Okay lang po. I hope the leverage yes. Good evening. Sana naranasan ko rin yan. Broker. Yeah, good questions. Ano yung broker mo? Ang community natin guys, official tie-up natin guys is VT Markets. Okay? Bakit po VT Markets? Kasi unang-una, awarded sila sa Europe, best broker in Dubai, and in Australia awarded din, and also in Canada. So very legit broker, pero ang nagustuhan ko talaga sa VT Markets guys is your interface niya is user friendly. So madali siya, ideal siya sa mga beginners or nag-start pa lang sa forex trading. Magkano naman yung minimum amount sa pagtitrade? Recommendation ko, actually depende sa broker. Pero ang recommendation ko guys is 100 USD only. Kuha nyo yun? 100 USD only. Saya nila. Okay. Bakit? Kasi di ba nag-start pa lang tayo. Anong oras sa Pilipinas ang best time to trade? Okay. This is good question. Kasi, anong oras sa Pilipinas? 9 to 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Maganda. Kasi ito yung represents the market respond when the market in the Asia is open. And then, around 4 p.m., 3, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., maganda din ito. Kasi represents London sessions. And 9 p.m. o 2:10 p.m., maganda dito because this is represents New York session. Pero since in New York, guys, New York session, ang daming one of the maraming volume is sa New York. Sometimes 8 p.m. pa lang, malaki na yung volume. Ibig sabihin, 8 p.m. pa lang, marami nagtitrade or tinatawag dyan na pre-opening. So, hindi pa nagbubukas, 8 p.m. pa lang, pero mayroon ng volume. Ibig sabihin, gumagalaw na yung market, volatile na yung market, kaya magandang mag-trade. Okay? Another question, guys. Ito. Let me show you my chart. Alright? So, for this chart, nakita natin itong pagbaba. Bumaba. How about US 30? Okay, guys, ito. Ito yung epekto ng US opening. Nakita nyo? Ito yung epekto Dito sila nag-trade kanina. Pagpasok ng 9:30. Compared sa iba, mas mataas siya. Ibig sabihin, maraming traders na pumasok. Volume, pumasok siya. Mas mataas yung kandila. Anyway, sa community natin, meron tayong tamang training for this one. Ito yung mga candlestick na tamang training nito. So, before opening, nakita nyo, anong oras kayo sa Pilipinas? 9:50. So, this is 9:40. Ito talaga, pagpasok sa 9:30. So, before 9:30, guys, nakita nyo, ang liliit ng candle. Ibig sabihin, wala pa masyadong trader na pumasok, wala pa masyadong volume. Kaya, it's not ideal for scalping. Since scalping, more on scalping tayo, we are looking for something like this one na magalaw yung market or volatile yung market. Ang tawag dito guys is volume. Maraming volume. So, pasensya na. Di tayo may marunong magaling mag-drawing. Kaya nag-trading na lang text eh. Pindot-pindot lang. Alright guys? Okay. Sige. More questions pa. Okay? So, ito yung guys, pinapakita ko, bakit maganda mag-trade ng 9 p.m. Pero si XAU for tonight, let's check for the XAU. Hindi masyadong magalaw, within the range lang. So, here, nagre-range lang si XAU. Mayroon siyang down a little bit for the lower trend. So, wala masyadong action yung gold. Pero kanina, kagabi, grabing action ito guys. Pero kanina yung action, grabe yung action. Nakita niyo naman yung pag-akyat niya. Here. So, mayroon tayong tamang training yan guys. Ang tawag dyan is yung market structures or yung trend. So, this one, pinapakita natin na this one, itong volume na ito, this is the cause of the New York session kanina. Gumalaw lang siya ng konti, not much. So, not much, wala masyadong pangyayari. But this is still good. So, kung nag-sell ka dito, this one, this is a pattern. Kung nag-sell ka dito, here, profitable ka dito ka nag-TP, scalping lang. Alright? So, any questions? Coach studied pero need po yung guidance. Yes. Yung gusto niyo talaga guys na seryosohon mag-aral, I suggest na mag-enroll po kayo. Nag-enroll ako kahapon. Okay, good, Marilyn. Okay. Maging active ka sa GCs at saka si Leo XAU best timing para mag-trade. Okay. Coach, best timing for XAU, makinig kayo. For gold, best timing talaga is 8 p.m. Minsan, pre-opening kasi ito. So, 8 p.m. maganda. Pero, when London session starts like 4 p.m., gumagalaw din. So, take note nito. 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning PH time. 4 p.m., 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. depende. Kasi ang 8 p.m. guys, ang tawag dyan is pre-opening session. Anong ibig sabihin ng session opening? Parang sa Pilipinas, mayroon tayong tinatawag na office hours, di ba? So, 8 a.m. sirado pa yung bangko. Pag 9 a.m. open na. Ganun din. Sa stock market yan, sa financial market. So, mangyayari, pag bukas sa financial market, malakas yung galawan. Kasi pumapasok yung mga buyers and sellers or tinatawag na mga traders, big players yan. Mga big players yan. Mga hedge fund, mga liquidity providers, mga bangko. So, mga big players yan sila. So, yun yung time na papasok sila. It's either malaki yung volume of buy nila, malaki yung volume of sell nila. Alright? So, nonetheless, that's a very good questions. Sir, ano po ang magkakaiba sa OTC at hindi OTC? I'm not so sure what do you mean by OTC. Octagon? Ano po yung Digi30? Digi30 po is para po siyang stocks pero binuo under index. Represents po ito ng top 30 companies in the US. Paano pumasok ang leverage sa community? Sa broker po, ang leverage po is isa-set mo po when you create an account. Okay, when you create an account. Coach, hindi ba pwedeng GCash sa pag-enroll? Sa open ng account? Pwede naman. As long as may connection po kayo kay Lady Denny Lee, more likely parang similar yung ginagawa namin. We're not close, pero magkakilala kami. Okay. Pero iba yung community ni Lady D at iba yung community ko. In fairness, sa community namin is more on intimate and is more on close. Nakafocus kami talaga sa nagbibigay ng mga trainings. Okay. Ito na yung action guys ng gold. This is strong support and this is strong resistance. So nag-break out siya. Tingnan natin posibleng mag tuloy-tuloy or pag mag-bounce siya, posibleng paakyat. Alright? Meron din na adang immediate sa VT markets required po to put. Meron din po na nag-add ng community using VT markets pero required. Hindi po, guys. Sa totoo po, hindi po required yung 500 USD. Okay? Sa VT markets po, actually, you can open 50 USD. Okay? Baka iba yung program nila. Baka may kasama yung 50, may kasama ng training or tools. Dito sa community mo, Sir Coach, is 100 USD lang. Okay. Mamaya, isa sa, how do you call this one? Mayroon kasi kaming tinatawag na cheat codes, which is i-discuss ko bukas. Okay. Kung ano itong cheat codes na ito, abangan nyo. Ito yung sikreto namin na para mabilis matuto at mabilis kumita. Ngayon, binigay ko lang yung foundation or yung introduction sa forex trading para before tayo mag-execute, maintindihan nyo lahat. Okay, maintindihan nyo lahat. Yung 100 USD, hindi po yan sa community ko. Yun po yung i-deposit mo sa broker natin. Okay? Na VT Markets. Ay, another thing about VT Markets, meron silang 100% bonus. Minimum of 300. Big sabihin, kapag na-deposit ka ng 300, 600 yung tradable amount mo. Sa Saudi po, anong oras? Ay, naku sir, kayo na bahala mag-convert sa time zone ninyo ha. Boily. Sa Dubai po, ganun din po. Kayo na rin po bahala mag-convert sa oras ninyo dyan. Baka magiging ano tayo? Magiging Timex. The official converter of the Pinoy trading community. Mga kabayan ko po, itong business na ito, kailangan din natin ng konting common sense, ha? At konting sariling pag-aaral din natin. Hindi pwedeng spoon feed lahat, ha? Coach, live account for verification, wala akong proof of billing. Okay, eto, good question. Kung magki-create kayo ng account, kasi required yan sa legit na broker, parang bangko yan, hanapan ka ng ID at hanapan ka ng proof of billing. So kung mag-fill up ka doon, yung ilalagay mo doon na proof of billing, your address mo, yung may proof ka. Yung may proof ka. Kung wala talaga yung address mo sa Pilipinas, which is I recommend na Pilipinas, kasi kung wala talaga, pwede sidula. Pwede lisensya or pwede ID na may address. Pwede yan. Kung wala talaga, mag-message ka sa community natin, sa mga coaches natin, pero may diskarte tayo dyan. Para ma-solve yan. Okay, lahat ng bagay, may solution kapag ka may community ka. Nakaka-inspire yun, hinaot yun. Grabe yun. Pwede ba mag-enroll 1 year but hintayin payment per month? Pwede naman. Actually, depende sa'yo. Pwede yan i-convert yung time sa KSA. Kamu na i-convert niya. Uy, tagaan mo ko yung trabaho. Kamu gidap. Okay, 100 USD capital. Magiging magandang leverage. 100 USD, 500 or 1,000. Depende kung aggressive ka. Pero kung gusto mong conservative ka, 200, 100. Malaking leverage, guys, aggressive. Pero in return, tumatalo din, malaki din yung talo. Okay? 101 is a lot size. Anong index, anong pairs index at oras na magandang pag-trade? Okay? Okay. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Philippines. Again, kayo na mag-convert dyan sa ano yung time zone ninyo. And then, sa hapon, 4 p.m. PH time. 9:30, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Pero kung aggressive yung market, 8 p.m. pa lang, gumalaw na. Okay? Gumalaw-gaw na. So, I mean, gumagalaw na yung market. Okay. I recommend XAU USD for scalping and US 30. Pero ang pinaka-ideal talaga sa US 30, guys, is 9:30 p.m. Mga ganitong oras kanina. Kaya nag-trade sila kasi yun yung pinaka-ideal na time talaga. Alright? Pwede bang sumali sa trading kahit di pa Pwede naman. Pwede naman. Okay. Actually, guys, meron akong assignment. Okay. Ito yung assignment. Are you ready for my assignment, guys?
Di ba wala akong babaunin?
Ang assignment ko sa inyo is that kung sino yung nag-add sa inyo sa GC, humingi kayo sa kanila ng link kung paano mag-create ng account. So, ang assignment nyo tonight is mag-create kayo ng account using our link. Dapat sa link natin. Kasi sa link natin, guys, para ma-avail nyo yung bonus, 100% bonus. Ibig sabihin, kung di-deposit ka ng 300, ang tradable mo na amount is 600. Pero hindi ma-withdraw yun. Hindi ma-withdraw. Okay? And then, eventually later on, kung mag-join ka sa enrolled community natin, kailangan naka-register ka under our link sa VT Markets para ma-avail mo yung tinatawag natin na tool na tinatawag na Surefire or VIP signal na ibibigay natin sa enrolled community. So, your assignment for tonight, hingiin mo kay someone, sponsor mo or coach na nag-add sa'yo sa GC, humingi ka ng link sa kanya kung paano mag-create ng account sa VT Markets. Kasi bukas, sabay-sabay tayong mag-trade bukas. Anong pipindutin sa cellphone? When to buy, when to sell, sabay-sabay tayo pipindot. Ituturo namin sa inyo kung paano mag-buy, paano mag-sell, paano mag-modify. Alright? Wow, sarap ng sell ah. Paldo-paldo yung nag-sell. Okay? So, copy. Copy? Copy. Copy. Noted po, noted po. Yun po yung assignment natin. Okay? So, it's okay, guys. We still have time. Pasensya na, medyo crowded kanina. So, yung ganito na lang. Kung gusto nyong i-run through yung mga pinag-usapan natin, after this one, i-convert ko at saka i-record ko, at saka ilalagay ko sa YouTube at ipopost ko sa mga GC. Okay? In the event na mayroon pa ditong naka-join sa webinar na hindi pa naka-join doon sa mga GCs natin, okay? Like Kabayan, Forex Community, Pinoy Tradings Community na mga GC, mag-ask kayo sa nagbigay sa iyo ng link tonight na, bro, pwede mo bang i-join ako sa GC? Kasi doon sa GC, doon yung mga libreng, every week, guys, mayroon tayong free training. Every week yan. Every Thursday yan. Every Thursday. So, mayroon yung free training na ibibigay natin para naman ma-equip kayo. In the event na seryoso nyo talagang matuto yung Forex trading, bukas, mag-attend kayo kasi ibibigay ko yung tinatawag natin na cheat codes. By the way, before we will end, kasi I understand na hindi din natin makuha lahat ito, kaya may record. If I may ask, guys, sino ho dito sa inyo na seryoso talaga at desidido talaga na aralin itong Forex trading? Can you drop number 5 on the chat box? Number 5. Kasi guys, I understand this is not for everyone talaga. This, na-feel nyo naman siguro yung energy, yung excitement, yung di ba, something? Na-feel mo yung connection or spark? Oh, di na pwede ka nang aminyo na ta. Dito na tayo sa Forex trading, nakakakilig din. Okay, sa lahat ng ng number 5, please gawin niyo yung assignment ninyo para bukas, and make sure you're here tonight because Coach Marge, okay? Coach Marge, ito si Coach Marge. Coach Marge and Coach MJ. Pipili sila ng 3. Ay, gawin natin 5? 5, pwede. Na bibigyan namin ng tools, access sa tools, and that tools, kung bibilin mo yan, that's worth 400 plus. Around 440. Pero kapag ka nandyan ka bukas at you're very interactive, bibigyan ka namin ng access. But make it sure, guys, nakalink kayo sa VT Markets namin, ha? So, hihingin nyo, ulitin ko yung assignment ninyo, hingin nyo sa sponsor or coach na nagbigay sa iyo ng link para makapag-create ka ng account. Along with that link, guys, mayroon siyang around 5 minutes to 7 minutes video tutorials na ipa-follow nyo lang kung paano mag-create ng account. Assignment na lang yon. Para bukas, ipapakita natin sa inyo kung paano siya i-execute at ano yung cheat codes. Cheat codes. Bakit dito sa community, marami yung iba nga 2 weeks lang, 1 month lang, kumikita na kasi mayroon tayong mga tools. Cheat codes, mga sikreto yan natin dito sa Forex Trading na i-reveal namin sa inyo bukas. Alright? Bukas. Who's excited? Okay? So guys, I think that would be all for tonight kasi magti-trade pa kami. I hope, guys, I understand yung iba hindi nakuha kaagad. Normal lang yan. Normal yun. But if you feel the excitement, if you feel na, oy, may pag-asa pala, if you feel na mayroong magandang opportunity, yun lang ang kailangan mo actually. At the end of the day, yung pag-aaral natin dito, guys, is tuloy-tuloy. Long term. By the way, long term itong Forex trading approach. Long term. Long term. Okay? So, mayroon ba dito sa inyo na tatanong, baka scam to or what? I-address ko lang, okay? Ginagamit ho ang Forex trading sa pag-scam. Totoo yan. Mayroon din gumagamit sa pangalan ko para mag-scam. So, kung ako yan na nag-ask sa inyo for investment, that's not me. Kasi kami ho, hindi po kami humingi ng investment sa inyo. Nagtitrade po kami sa sariling pera namin. Ano po yung ginagawa namin? Nagtuturo lang kami sa inyo kung paano mag-trade, nag-guide lang kami sa inyo. Nagko-coach lang kami sa inyo. Yun po yung ginagawa namin. Para po hindi kayo may scam, ito yung tip ko number 1. Una, aralin ninyo yung Forex trading. Kasi most of the time, yun ang scam, walang idea talaga about sa Forex trading. Kaya I congratulate you kasi nandito kayo tonight kasi willing kayong aralin talaga. But please understand na hindi ko pwedeng ibigay sa inyo lahat ito kasi technical kasi itong Forex trading. Hindi siya makuha lang ng isang session lang. Okay? And number 2, para hindi ka may scam, huwag mong ibigay yung pera sa iba. Huwag mong ibigay, huwag kang magpasabay sa trade, huwag kang mag-invest. Mag-invest ka sa sarili mo at mag-fund ka doon sa legit broker natin. Number 3, para hindi ka mag-scam, mag-join ka sa community. Kasi yung community, may mga GCs tayo, may makapagtanungan ka, guys, legit ba to or not? Mayroong magsasabi sa'yo, bro, wag yan, hindi yan legit, bro. Tama yan, legit yan. At least, kasi di ba hindi ko alam kung may mga kasama ka ba dyan sa trabaho mo na Forex trader din. Maliit lang naman yung community ng Forex trading. Around 10 million lang naman sa buong mundo. So kapag ka nag-invest ka sa knowledge mo, tama yan. Kapag ka hindi ka mag-invest sa iba, tama yan. Hindi ka may scam. At kapag ka may community ka, tama yan. So will you watch the recorded topic? And yes, meron tayong recorded topic. So with that, I will not hold you long kasi meron pa namang bukas. Dahan-dahan lang kasi understand hindi makuha lahat. Ulitin ko, assignment. Ano yung assignment? Mag-ask ka ng link doon sa coach mo or sa sponsor mo para mag-create ka ng account. Sir Nars, very motivational po yung training session. Thank you. Bukas po, magla-live trade tayo. Live trading session. Kanina, yung nagla-live trade sila. Okay, tingnan natin guys. Yung sino malaki yung smile guys, mamaldo yan. Yung hindi nakapag-smile, alam nyo na yan kung anong nangyari dyan. Yung nagmugot-mugot guys ba? Magmugot-mugot guys, alam nyo na. Alam nyo na. Alright, guys. Welcome to the community hour again. Thank you so much. See you everyone. And God bless, guys. Kaway-kaway. Say goodbye to our audience. August 9, tuloy na tuloy yan. Tuloy tayo. Bumili na nga kami ng TV, oh. Nandito kayo, guys, sa live screen. Live in our studio tonight. Rooftop Cafe. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you, mga kabayan ko. God bless everyone. Glory to God. See you tomorrow.